What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ShaniquaaJahyy, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this freaking color and where this wig came from and all that. So well, first of all, before I get into this video, I want to let you guys know this hair is from Pretty Girl Xtensions. Yes, Pretty Girl Xtensions. And I'm gonna leave everything down in the description bar, and make sure you check out their hair, okay? Cause bomb, bitch. Who ain't cute? Who wanna fight? Who wanna fight? Cause girl, I'm feeling like I don't even know what I'm feeling like right now, but I'm feeling like that one, you know. Anyways, y'all. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. If you want to see how I got this color, how I dyed the roots, and how I toned the blonde hair, then we're gonna get right into this video. So y'all stay seated and let's go.
See, I got you bitches on your 10 toes. I ain't really worried about it if you didn't know. I don't even know why you bitches is mad for. Oh, you think I want your man, that's why you mad, oh. If you really wanna know, little baby got options. If you really wanna go there, we can get locked in. And my fleet gon' flex and it ain't stopped.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna dive right into the box. Okay, so in the box it comes with some instructions and a whole bunch of information that you guys want to look at. Then it comes with some goodies in there, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the bundles out. These are 20 inches, I believe. Yeah, 20-inch bundles. It comes with these little hairpins, which are so cute, beautiful lashes, and a thank you card. Also, y'all, a little brush and a stocking cap. Okay, let's jump right into the bundles. So these bundles are 20 inches, and the frontal is 16 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how cute this freaking frontal is once I unravel it. Look how beautiful it is. This is a Swiss lace, y'all. The thing about Swiss laces, I love them because they lay so flat and it's just so seamless. So this is why I love Swiss lace. And shout out to Pretty Girl Stitches for sending me out this blonde hair. Shout out to y'all. Okay, period. It's just that on that. But yes, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all the pattern. This is body wave, super pretty, super silky. And this is the bundle. The bundle looks just like the frontal as well. It is a body wave, and this is a 16-inch frontal. So we're gonna dive right into dyeing it, y'all. So this is the color I'm going in with, and this is the medium brown. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. Well, you know, like mix it all up and stuff. I'm gonna use the Got To Be spray to spray the lace so that the dye won't seep as much as it would if I didn't use the Got To Be. Sometimes the Got To Be works, sometimes it doesn't, but if you triple the layers, then it'll work well for y'all. And I'm gonna blow dry it, and between each spray I blow dried it, y'all, so make sure y'all do that. And then, y'all, we're gonna dive right into the medium brown, and I'm gonna put it on the roots. So yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it together, y'all. Okay, y'all, once I've mixed it, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with the brush. I started with the brush first only because I thought that it would be better, but actually once the video was continuing, I actually went in with the toothbrush. You have to get something small like a toothbrush or an edge brush, and just go ahead and apply it to the roots. And you want to be real careful with it because you don't want it to seep through the lace because this is a dark color. So be real careful with it. I did go in just like an inch only. I didn't go in too far, or yeah, I didn't come out too far because I didn't want it to look funny in the beginning. So only did like just an inch, you know. But basically that's all I did, y'all, and I just made sure that I took my time with this. You want to take your time with it because you don't want to mess up. So make sure you take your time with it when parting and applying it because it can be a little messy. I did kind of stain my lace in one area, so just be careful with that, y'all. And as this video progresses, you're going to see me switch to a toothbrush, which is way more easier and way more faster because, I don't know, it was something about the brush was too big. And it was just like, it wasn't getting onto all the hairs. But y'all, I'm going to let this video continue, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with the darker color first, and I'm gonna use that one at the top. So I just sectioned it into 4 pieces, thinking I was gonna have enough dye, and honestly, I ran out. So this was 2 boxes. I ran out of that. But I'm taking the darker ash blonde and just putting it at the top. So see, as I can see, I'm taking the darker ash blonde and putting it at the top, and then once I move along and get this going, in the back I put the ash blonde. So yeah, y'all, I had to come in and tell y'all that I ended up running out of the color, so I had to make it stretch in the video. That's what you see. But y'all, yeah, and I left it on for 45 minutes. Not even that, like 30 minutes. 30 minutes at the most, because it started to turn quick, and I didn't want it to get too dark, because when you leave a toner on for a while, it gets really dark. So it's up to you when you want to take it off. When you get to the color, then you can take it off. But leaving it off past 45 minutes, it's going to be dark. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, that's all I did in this video. So y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like what you've seen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right up here. It's gonna be @_ShaniquaaJahyy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And y'all, honey, let me tell you about this blonde hair. Let me tell y'all, I have 3 bundles. Before I go, I have 3 bundles of 20-inch, and I have a 16-inch frontal. This is a Swiss lace frontal, and honey, this laid, okay, laid. Let me turn this way. Laid, and it got movement. Who hair stiff? Who weave stiff? Who blonde wig stiff? Not this one. Not this one. Not this one, baby. Not this one, baby. Not this one. Anyways, y'all. Oh, this is a unit that I customized and I made, and I didn't put that in the video. I didn't want to show you guys how I made this wig because I have a lot of videos of me making wigs. You already know how that go. But I just wanted to show you guys how I toned, how I darkened the roots. So that's what this video is concluded up, and I'm gonna wrap it up. Okay, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up because this is the end of the video. Shout out to Pretty Girl Xtensions, y'all. It was, and it, girl, they gave me this too, y'all. They gave me eyelashes. And it's not even them ugly eyelashes that them other hair companies be sending. Let me show y'all. if it focus. Look at these eyelashes. These is basically the ones that I have on. Like, girl, how you knew I like these kind? Don't do that. Don't do that. How you know I like these kind of lashes? Like, oh my god. And it's just, you know what? And then she sent me these. This right here took the cake for me. These. And, honey, these little goodies. These little goodies. You know, it be the goodies in the bag. It be the goodies that come with your hair. Like, it's one thing to get the bundles in the hair, but then when it come with goodies, baby, you just win-win situation. But y'all, I'm going to close out this video. I love this freaking hair. I had no shedding. Well, I had shedding after I cut it, because I had cut, you know when you cut your flaps off, you get shedding. So I had shedding after that. But when I first got the hair, it wasn't no shedding like that. It was minimal shedding, like 1 or 2 strands. But y'all, the hair is so freaking thick, like super thick. When I was making the wig, I'm like, dang, this hair is thick and nice. Like, what the hell? What the hell? I showed y'all in the beginning of the video how the hair looked at the beginning, when the lace front was just super nice, Swiss lace, baby hairs came with it, to all that, okay, all that. But y'all, I'm gonna close out this video because I could keep rambling on and on. But y'all, I hope you like what y'all seen, and I hope I broke it down to y'all. I hope you liked the video. I hope everything in this video helped somebody out there. And I'm gone. See you later. Bye bye.